Hello, children. Last time we have studied the place values and learned how to read and write 5-digit and 6-digit numbers. Now we are going to study comparing and ordering those numbers, means 4-digit and 5-digit numbers. So basically, for doing comparison, if you are comparing two numbers, first count the digits in those two numbers, and a number with more digits will always be greater than a number with fewer digits. For example, here if I'll give you 22,222, which is a 5-digit number, and 2,222, which is a 4-digit number, of course, the number having 5 digits is greater than the number having 4 digits. But what if I'll give you more than two numbers? At that time, you have to arrange the given numbers from smallest to largest or largest to smallest. Smallest to largest is called as ascending order and largest to smallest is called as descending order. But what rules you have to follow for comparing and ordering numbers? First, we will learn for comparing two numbers. And for comparing two numbers, you can use these greater than, less than, and equal to symbols. There are few steps for doing comparison. First step is line up the numbers according to the place value. Means, suppose I have given you these two numbers, I have arranged them one below the other according to the place values. 4,712 and below that I have written 4,761. After that, you have to start from the left side for doing comparison of the digits. Means, from the left side, I have started from the first digit. It is same, so I have to go for the next digit. That is also same over here. And if it is same, go to the next place. Now, if we will observe, in the first number, the third digit is 1, and in the second number, the third digit is 6. So, 1 is less than 6. So, I can write using symbol, and that is the third step while doing comparison of two numbers, that 4,712 is less than 4,761. And I can write it in the words as well. I can check here 5-digit numbers as well. Again, the first step is write them one below the other for doing comparison and then start comparing their digits from the left side. If they are same, go to the next place. Doing like this, when you will find out the numbers which are not same, compare them. If you will see here at third place from left side, here it is 4 and here it is 6. So 4 is less than 6. So here also you can say that 13,453, that is the first number, is less than the second number, which is 13,623. I have written it in words as well. If you can find out the first number is greater than the second number, you can use this greater than sign. And if all the digits are same from both the numbers, they are equal numbers. Now, What if I'll give you more than two numbers? How to compare them? Same rules you have to use. Let us see with the example. Here, you have to arrange the given numbers in order of size, starting with the smallest. This is very important. So now, for doing comparison, let us compare their first digit from the left side. And if you will observe here, the digits are 5, 4, 6, 1 and 3. Not a single digit is same. So directly you can start from the smallest and then arrange one by one in ascending order. So here the first number will be 1906. After that here is 3. So the next number is 3214. Then the next one 4795, 5728 and the last one is 6005. Let us see what we had to do in this second example. Again see the first digit from the left side of every number. And if you will see, here it is 6, 5, 8, 2 and 5. But the smallest is 2. So let us write that number first, 2865. After that, 5826 and 5268 will come. But among those two, as both the first digit are same, we have to compare their second digit, and that is 8 and 2. So the number having 2 as a second digit is the smaller than the 8 one. So I'll write here 5268 first, and then I will write here 5826. And now it's easy to compare. Here again 6258 will come, and then last 8625. Understood? But if I tell you to arrange the same numbers from largest, no problem. Compare again the first digit. But while writing answer, write the number having largest digit first. Then smaller than that. Then smaller than that. Then again smaller than that. And the smallest one. This is how you can write. Again here, if you will find out the same digits, compare their next digit while writing and then write them in descending order. That is from largest to smallest. Understood? Now, let us more understand it with 5-digit numbers. Compare first digit number. You have to arrange these numbers from smallest to largest. If you will see here, the smallest number is 1 and there are 4 numbers having first digit from the left side as 1. So writing this number with 2 or starting with 2, before that you have to compare the second digit of these 4 numbers. And if you will see here, here is 2, 2, 1 and 5. So among those, smallest is 1. And so I'll write that number first, 11,990. After that, the next comes 2. As there are two numbers having 2 at the second place from left side, we'll compare their third digit. And if you will see, in the first number, the third digit is 9. And in the second number, the third digit is 5. So I will write that number first, that is 12,509. Then 12,905. After that, this number will come, that is 15,925. And the last 21,905. Understood? Now, here in this case, if you will see, all the numbers having first digit same if you will compare the first digit from the left side. So what to do? Definitely we have to compare the second digit of each and every number. And if you will observe 88308. So the number which is having second digit 0 that will come first. That will be the smallest one, 20,833. And then after that 3. So 23,830. Now, if you will observe these three numbers, they are having same digit at the second place. So now we have to compare the third digit of these three numbers. And if you will see, here is the 2 number and here are three numbers which are same. So we will compare their fourth digit afterwards. First we will write this number 28,213, and now let us compare the fourth digit of these numbers. Here is 1 and here is 3. So the number which is having 1 at fourth place as a fourth digit, we'll write this first and then this is the last one. So this is how you have to compare the given numbers. Same way, you can arrange those given numbers starting with the largest using the same criteria. Only you have to write the largest number first, and then accordingly by comparing the next digits, you will write the given numbers in descending order, that is starting with the largest. Thank you.